Okay, so we're going to start off with foundation, and here I'm using the Eyeko Beauty Ultra Flawless Foundation, and it is just the most incredible affordable foundation that I have actually found. It's just available from Woolworths, and basically it just covers all imperfections, but it has just such a lightweight and even finish. So it feels like you virtually have nothing on your skin, but it just covers everything. It's incredible. So here we're going to use the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette, and we're going to go in with this burnt orange colour and just work it into the crease area. Okay, so we're going to go in and do the exact same thing on the other eye. We're just going to focus on putting it on the outer corner and the inner corner, and yeah, just building that colour. Okay, so you want to grab yourself a fluffy brush, and then you're just going to focus on blending out that colour into the crease. Okay, so now we're using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and we've jumped into the colour called Homebody. Now this one's just a deeper orange shade that we're just going to build that colour into the inner corner and the outer crease. Okay, so now we're going to just take this nude colour shade, and we're just going to work it back and forth into the crease just to diffuse all the colour. Okay, so heading back to the Huda Beauty palette, we're just going to use a deeper shade. It's like a terracotta shade, and we're just going to work that into the outer corners just to deepen the V. Blend, blend, blend. Using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, we're just going to use this with a small flat brush from Wheel Techniques, and we're just going to place it onto the lid and then use eyeshadow straight on top. Okay, so we're just going to start adding some color on the under eye just to bring the whole look together. We're just going to add this gold color to the inner corner of the eyes for a bit of pop. We're just going to line the top lash with a black ink liner. This is by Eyeko. It's called Magic Black Liner. So in the meantime, I've added some lashes and some mascara, and now we're ready to contour. So I'm going to use the DB Cosmetics contour stick to start framing my face. We're just going to powder the under eye using the RCMA Translucent powder and just lightly coat that under the eyes. I'm going to powder the rest of the face using the Bourjois Healthy Light Powder Foundation. Love this foundation, it's so good. It just creates such a luminous finish and it still allows your skin to breathe. Okay, so we're going to go in with blush, and this is the Natasta Denona blush. Next up is bronzer. This is the Kiko Milano bronzer in the shade Sienna. I'm going to highlight the face using the Thin Lizzy Highlighter Trio. We're going to go in with this gold shade. We're going to apply a couple of spritzes of MAC Fix Plus. I love this stuff. So we're going to line the lips using this W7 Cosmetics liner. It's just like a nude shade, and I really like it actually. It works perfectly. So we're just going to use this YSL lipstick. It's just a nude color, and we're going to apply it all over the lips. And we're going to follow this on with a MAC lip gloss in the shade, I think it's called Nymphet. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and I'll see you guys soon.